Today we're reviewing the new Segway Ninebot MAX, a scooter with a range of up to 40 miles and built for durability, long rides, and commuting. The MAX is priced at $799 retail, but they launched an Indiegogo campaign where you can pre-order for only $569. We'll put links in the description with discounts and coupons for the best price. Segway sent us their new Ninebot MAX scooter to test and see how it performs. The first thing we noticed is how much larger and sturdier it is compared to other scooters we tested in the past. The base of the scooter is wider, the front stem is taller, and the wheels are larger. This means a better and more comfortable ride compared to other scooters on the market. The motor is also in the rear wheel, compared to most other scooters that have the motor in the front wheel. Having the motor in the back is better for acceleration, stability, and braking. Both wheels feature tubeless tires, which means you'll never get a flat or have to replace a tube. For folding, the scooter has an upgraded mechanism which is easier to fold and unfold compared to other scooters. It also appears to be a better design, making it more sturdy and durable. The MAX also features an upgraded headlight that is brighter and better angled than other scooters like the Xiaomi M365. It also has Bluetooth so you can connect to the Segway app, allowing you to check battery, track miles, change riding modes, and turn on other features such as cruise control. The MAX also features a much larger battery, with an advertised range of up to 40 miles. The battery is located in the bottom of the scooter, which is wider and larger than other scooters such as the Xiaomi M365. For charging, the Segway MAX has a built-in fast charger, which will charge the scooter from empty to full in 6 hours. The charger is just a cable, and there is no brick, making it light and easy to carry. Speaking of carrying, the Segway MAX is heavier than most other scooters, due to the bigger battery in size. The weight is 47 pounds, or about 21 kilograms, so it's not meant to carry up many stairs. For riding, we found that the scooter feels sturdy, and the extra weight of the battery on the bottom helps keep the scooter stable. The large wheels and tires handle bumps and cracks well. However, this scooter does not have any suspension, so you will feel bigger bumps. The MAX features 3 riding modes. Each mode will have different acceleration and top speed. In sport mode, you can go up to 15.5 miles per hour, or 25 kilometers per hour. The motor is 350 watts, and the acceleration is steady and gets up to top speed quickly. Going up hills, it can handle a 15% grade, and while the scooter will slow down, it made it without problem. For braking, the handlebar brake will engage both the front and rear brake at the same time, allowing it to come to a stop quickly and safely. Finally, for the range, we wanted to test to see if the MAX will get the advertised 40-mile range. We took it for a couple rides without recharging it, with different terrain including hills and stops. Adding up all the trips, we were able to hit 16 miles and still have 55% battery left. We're going to do more range tests and comparisons with the MAX compared to other electric scooters, so be sure to check out more of our videos next.